In this video, we are going to cover OrgChart and how it handles the management of open positions. You're going to be able to create open positions, import a list of candidates for hiring, fill those open positions, and finally track changes so that you can see the results of any changes that you make and ultimately be able to compare the results. From the point that you start to the point that you're done, you can know exactly what changed. We will start with specifying a basic organization chart and how we can move people to what is called the staging area. This is a temporary area where we can park people until we decide to move them to other parts of the organization. So here I have navigated to the VP of Marketing's organization. I can select Gary in the staging area and I can have him report to Ted. And as soon as I do that, then we can see that Gary appears in Ted's organization. With open position management, we have a higher status field that can show different values. For example, if I double click here, a person could be an employee, a candidate, we could decline them, or we could declare this an open position. We'll take Gene's box, who's the Vice President of Development, and we're going to turn this into an open position. I right click, I go to Person, and move Person to the staging area. The position becomes open and we've got Gene is showing up now in the staging area. If I want to refill this open position, I can select Gene, grab Gene, and I hold down my control key, put it over this position, and instantly he comes back. His status is employee, so the box now turns from yellow to the light green. So this is an example of how positions can be declared open and the people can be moved about using the staging area. So the next thing I'm going to do here is to import a set of names that are going to be candidates for positions that are open. And you can see after I import, now I have the names listed in the staging area. I have ratings, salaries, and I have hiring statuses for each one. Let's fill an open position using Louise Tang. Louise has filled the open position and it's in candidate status. So you can see how computations can be quickly done as we're moving people in and out of the organization. We give you the ability to recognize, to plan, monitor changes to your workforce or group, and you can do it in a strategic manner using measurement, statistics, budgeting control, and tracking as you go. For more information on using OrgChart for workforce planning and organizational charting, be sure to visit us on the web at orgchartpro.com or send a note to us at sales@officeworksoftware.com.